5 reasons to become a medical records coder. Are you interested in becoming a medical records coder? Here are 5 reasons to choose this career path. In-demand career. The healthcare industry consistently needs skilled medical coders to handle patient records and ensure accurate billing, offering job stability and growth opportunities. Work flexibility. Medical coders often have the option to work remotely or on-site, making it a versatile career for maintaining work-life balance. Competitive salary. With proper certification and experience, medical coders can earn competitive wages, especially in specialized fields like oncology or surgery coding. Opportunities for advancement. Medical coding can be a stepping stone to other healthcare administration roles, such as auditing, management, or consulting. Making a difference. By ensuring accurate record keeping and billing, medical coders help healthcare providers receive appropriate reimbursements, indirectly supporting quality patient care. Master the art of medical coding with our comprehensive program designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed for success in the field. Unlock your pathway to a rewarding career in health information management and gain the technical expertise to the skills it takes to excel.